most important point to remember about the Realme 5i is that it has no IP certification, meaning it has no water ingress rating and no official water resistance. But Realme seems to give some kind of proprietary water resistance to protect against liquid damage, and Realme devices do have a good track record on the channel. Another thing is that the Realme 5i does not have a rubber seal on the SIM tray which the C3 has. Also, you have to be extra careful of the fact that the Realme 5i is not IP68 certified, so after a period of time, submerging it underwater will cause permanent and irreversible damage to your device. So coming back to the water test to find out the liquid damage resistance of the Realme 5i and starting the test to check for a layer of oleophobic coating on this basic Corning glass protection. The presence of an oleophobic layer is proved when water rolls off the glass surface in the form of droplets. But unfortunately, as you can see, the water is lying flat on the glass, signifying the lack of oleophobic coating. Moving on with the light splashing round, those of you following the channel must be well aware by now that anything can happen at any of the stages during the water test. For example, the Samsung Galaxy M31 had already started showing signs of liquid damage even before the light splashing round, where the touch was getting unresponsive. Or the Redmi Note 8, which had suffered from a permanent blank screen due to motherboard damage during the light splashing round itself. And the Zenfone 5Z had suffered from severe and permanent display damage after undergoing heavy drenching. Apart from all these things which may happen to your non-water resistant devices, there also have been other cases of screen flicker and temporary blank screens on some devices. Though the most common effect of water is the distortion of sound and low audio from the external speaker, which can last for a few seconds or continue for many hours and may permanently damage the display or sound unit. So will the Realme 5i, which has no official water resistance or IP rating, be able to survive all the water abuse in my water test? As you can notice from the sound, the audio from the external speaker did suffer from a bit of distortion, but that was back to normal within a few minutes. The 5i keeps up the awesome track record of Realme by not suffering any kind of internal liquid damage or damage to the camera or sound unit and passes my water test.